Time to get up. That's fast.
Well, it's time to get up. We're gonna have some breakfast real quick. Padre F6B is here, having a good time.
Good morning.
Can't go wrong with breakfast, so let's go do it. Uh-oh.
One day, we're gonna just completely muzzle Dennis because he talks too much.
Well, now that Chuck and his wife are leaving, it's time to head up and go on a ride of our own. Yeah, we're gonna try to do it. We're leaving a little bit before the other group, and yeah, for whatever reason, I don't know, but hopefully we don't get lost.
I think we're supposed to be going to the right like they are. I can't tell. We got to reset my
I don't know, mine says go to the left.
Okay. You want to lead and I'll take tail gun?
Not really.
Okay.
I didn't know if your thing said to turn, so I was gonna...
I saw it come up on the screen. It's still not telling me and everything, so.
Somehow, even when we thought we were lost, we somehow made it back to the same place. It was pretty fun.
Fancy seeing you guys.
Yeah, I thought y'all were gonna be in front of us.
That's what we left at 9. You guys, we thought you were gonna leave at 9:30 or 9:15. That's how it's been for the last two.
9:15.
Huh?
You were supposed to left at 9:15.
Yeah. All the groups, they have the meeting at the 9 o'clock whenever they say they're gonna leave, and then they leave at 9:30 or 15 minutes afterwards.
Dad, where are we at and what are we doing right now?
We're somewhere.
We just passed the sign. We're somewhere.
There you go.
Yeah, Dad, come on. Redo number 2. Where are we at?
Texas.
Texas.
And I will be your tour guide today. We have a riverfront cavern and a lot of Texas-sized stories, all that rich history we're going to talk about before we head down. Before we go over that, we just need to go over our rules really quickly. So, first one here is going to be stay with the group. We are pretty much at max capacity today, you guys. Just make sure you're staying together, stay with me.
That's Carlbad Caverns right here. Just remember, Dennis, you have to walk back up, okay?
Throughout the Texas Hill Country between Burnett
ahead.
and Marble Falls. Named Backbone Ridge is about 3 to 5 billion years old. Our cavern is only about 3 million. So there's quite a big difference in age there. But in order to have our cavern formed, we had to have this sinkhole first. So looking at this picture right over here, you guys will see that rainfall. It comes down, it collects carbon dioxide in the air. Those two together, they form an acid called carbonic acid. Now carbonic acid is not a very strong acid, it is pretty light, but it is enough to erode away the limestone over time, causing our sinkhole to form. Then you have the local river that came down, flooded in, and carved out the cavern. That's where that river form geology comes from. We are one of few river formed caves. There's not very many of us. So we're pretty unique in that way. However, the river itself left behind lots of debris. All the way down itself in here.
Watch your head.
Watch your head.
All right, Shorty.
Little Jim, we have no problem in here.
Exciting, going up.
Go ahead, Dennis. Oh, yeah. We're taking a trip. What'd you call this place?
Crystal City.
Crystal City. What's the city in Mario?
Crystal City.
No, something city. Whatever. Yeah, in Mario Bros. With Yoshi, he goes over there.
Couldn't tell you. I can't really do the weird place.
Dad, you're worse than me.
Why?
Taking pictures everywhere and doing everything. Look at them all. There's a whole bunch of little crystals all in the wall.
They get done touch.
Wow.
Well.
They said couples would come down here. I wonder how many kiddos were, what would you call it? Not consummated, what's that word called? How many people made sweet love by the fire down here by the crystals?
Oh. The romantic rendezvous.
Romantic endeavors, maybe? Yeah. Something.
Oh, this is what
The
you
cat
want.
ring.
Well, that's pretty cool. Well, what is this place? Oh, we walked through here.
This is the place we started.
Yeah. I might not be a smart man, Janae.
Last time they came through here, you could just walk up and walk through.
That's cool.
But she said they never had that. That's cool.
Hmm.
It's hard.
It's hard. Yeah, I don't know about it.
What's that?
Think about not touching.
Don't touch it.
Dad, what are you thinking so far? You having fun?
Nice, man. It's a nice place, man.
Dennis, what do you think?
I think it's a cool hole in the ground.
It's a hole in the. It's the only hole I want to be in the ground. You know.
If we gotta be in the ground, this is preferred.
This is preferred. Yes, exactly. They probably have cable and Starlink and all that stuff down here. We'll be good to go. What do you think, Dad? Now that we're about halfway, maybe quarter of the way. I don't know.
It's a nice place.
Yeah.
Remember, it used to be a saloon.
Yeah. Well, if the drink, or if the to get in was 25 cents, I wonder how much the drinks were. Like half a penny, maybe. Now maybe they give it to you for free. Probably not. But
No people in it. Once again, it's dolomite limestone, eroded away by the water. So, Hall of Marble. Get those quick pictures with no people in it. It is a great picture, perfect. There's a very small room that we could go down to, but it's only enough room for about 10 people. We got 35, so we're not going to fit down in there today. We will make a U shape and go back up that direction there to the next stop sign once you've checked out our two formations here, okay?
Was this filled with water before? Like how it stops up there, it's like a flat looking thing?
So yeah, so it's little water all the way to the top where it would have carved out up there.
No, but like how, whatever you want to, yeah, that right there, how it's like flat. You guys cut that or?
No, that's chert. So that's the chert layer of rock, once again not harvested because the Comanche Indians never came down this far. It's a little bit harder and denser of a rock than limestone, so it doesn't erode away as fast with the water that flowed through.
Cool.
Ankle swing, melted ice cream sundae, turnaround point.
And a big G.
And a big G.
What's the G? Oh, yeah. See the G, Dad?
G? Oh, yeah.
Yep. Limestone. So it should be that smooth textured rock. This is the only area of dolomite that looks like this. Because of that, we decided we're going to have some geologists come down and test the room to tell us what's going on. No source of light. No source of light. So make sure everything is covered up. Now I am going to shine my flashlight at first to show you guys what it would have looked like to those that came down before they had the electrical lighting. When all they had was torches and lanterns. I looked a little something like this. Not much light, but just enough for them to see directly in front of them. Now this is total darkness. Now your eyes will never adjust to this darkness. You think you can see your hand if you wave it in front of your face, but you cannot. That is your mind telling you that there's something there that needs to be seen. After 1 week in darkness like this, you will start to go insane. Start to lose your mind.
buy me dinner first.
After 3 weeks, you can become a tour guide here at Longhorn Cavern State Park. So go ahead and try to wave your hand in front of your face again. Can we see it?
No.
Now you can.
Go ahead, Dad.
You were him, right? What's your head?
Well, that was fun, but it's time to get on up and have some lunch. So let's keep on trucking. Apparently we're supposed to go to someplace kind of cool. Let's see if we can make it.
How you doing, Dad? You okay? What'd you say, Dennis?
How you doing?
Hi, neighbor.
So unfortunately, what happened was we did have reservations, but for whatever reason, they could not accommodate us. Yeah. How does that work exactly? I don't know. But whatever. Could be worse.
All right, I'm gonna let you guys go, and then I'm gonna catch up to you. Well, we're on the phone, so it doesn't matter with us.
Pretty good parking space. It's sand. I mean,
In the shade? No, we could have parked right there, but well, whatever.
Can't now.
We can squeeze in somewhere. There.
You having fun, Dad?
Alright, who got a diet?
Well, I think everybody liked their food, even with the blessing of the pepper. He put a lot of pepper on there. Anyways, it's time to hit the road.
We'll meet you at the hotel. We're just gonna go a little quicker.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, they're leaving us already. So. Leaving? That's what I'm saying. Shit.
Well, I just want to give you guys a huge shout out if you made it to this part of the video. This is kind of the end. Obviously, it has the music going, but yeah. So I just want to say thanks to all the people in the video. It was a really fun video, and pretty much all of the people in the video are like a good friend of mine. So, you know, obviously motorcycles brought us here, but the friendship that we grew kept us here. Even Dennis, you know, look at him. And Papa F6B. But yeah, see you guys on the next go around. It's time to hit the road again for part 5.